Introducing the Lumex Pedal Exerciser. This pedal exerciser is ideal for individuals who are unable to sit and ride on a regular bicycle, or for those limited to wheelchair use. It's designed to provide low-impact exercise to improve strength, range of motion, and blood circulation. The pedal exerciser can be used on the floor for leg exercises or on a tabletop for arm exercises. Tension control knob. Adjust the tension control knob to the desired level of resistance. Turn the tension control knob clockwise to increase resistance and counterclockwise to reduce the resistance. Straps. The straps hold the feet or hands firmly in place so they don't unwittingly slip off during exercise. Consult your physical therapist or healthcare professional before starting any exercise program. If you experience pain or tightness in your chest, shortness of breath, or have any discomfort while exercising, stop using immediately. For more information, visit us at www.gramfield.com.